Focus. So one last thing I did last night is painted the rear brake pedal. I actually took it off, but it was kind of a bitch, so I ended up just kind of painting it while it was on there. By putting this towel behind it so I wouldn't get any overspray or anything on there, but it looks pretty darn good if I do say so myself. It'll match the black levers. Now, I did want to leave this cover off and just have that exposed pulley, but I feel like it's kind of dangerous because if you have some loose jeans or riding pants, they could actually get caught in there, and then, well, that could be a big old issue. So I'm just going to modify this a little bit. I'm going to cut it down. I'm doing this one-handed. Right about here, so it just covers the actual pulley itself and doesn't come back as far, and then go ahead and paint it the same weathered brown that the tank and the stubby front fender is going to be. I'm going to go ahead and slice this off right now. I'm going to actually cut it while it's still mounted, so I have to be careful not to go too far into the tire, obviously, but this is plastic, so it should be a real easy cut. And again, the reason I'm doing that is because I was unable to get the front tire off. I tried all the tricks in my arsenal. I tried, you know, letting the bolts soak in WD-40. I tried the old mallet trick to break them loose. I tried my longest tool available to get leverage. It just would not come loose. So you got to do what you got to do. Adapt and overcome. It's a beautiful day for a ride, as you guys can see. About to head over to Walmart. I look like absolute shit, but hey, people in Walmart look pretty raggedy as it is. And I'm just going to get helmet hair and whatnot anyway, but I need to go there and get some more of these bad boys for the Street Fighter build. And hopefully, when I come back, my package will be sitting on the doorstep, but probably not, because they have until 8 p.m. to deliver. But I'm going to be getting my bars and my whole bunch of my steampunk shit for the build. And I don't know what it is, but I have been sweating like nobody's business recently. Like, yeah, it's hot here in Florida, but I feel like I'm sweating like abnormally a lot, which, I mean, I guess that's not an issue. It means I'm well hydrated, because when you stop sweating, that means you're getting close to, what do you call it? Like heat exhaustion and fucking heat stroke and all that bullshit. Cutting into this bad boy, then gonna go ahead and paint it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this with my citrus base cleaner. Hopefully not sweat to death in the process, and then go ahead and paint it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and lop off the front half of this fender and go ahead and clean her up and get her painted. Now, gotta be careful not to cut too low or cut too far and hit the tire, because I am doing this on the bike, and that is because I cannot get off the front tire. So, yeah, easy day. And that, kids, is why we wear safety glasses. I had just stopped recording, but my cutting wheel exploded and bounced off my goggles. So if I didn't have these eyeglasses on, I might have been one-eyed Jack, which I know eye patches are in right now, but it kind of messes up your depth perception for when you're riding and throws your wheelies off. You can't hit dank nooners, and it just sucks. Alright, I got this little trash bag I stole from work. I'm going to modify into a paint screen, I guess you could say. And like I said, there's only about a 1/4 inch gap between the fender and the tire for God knows whatever reason. So I'm just gonna get it started there and then roll it on around and then start painting. Hopefully this works. We're gonna make it work either way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Perfecto. And then go ahead and tape up the forks and do a little painting. Shit's amazing. I actually didn't buy this. I think it was given to me, or it came in like a, you know what, that's what it was. It came in a detailing kit, like a package kit. I didn't buy this individually. I had never heard of this shit before, but it works really good. It's like a citrus-based cleaner slash degreaser, and yeah, it works wonders. Not sponsored or anything. I wish I was. All right, that nice and dry so the paint sticks. And the paint that we are using is this multi-textured, multi-color, brown, rustic looking stuff. It's the same paint that's on the tank right now. Real quick, while I got everything all taped off and the wheels are finally dry, there's like some kind of, I guess there was a sticker or an adhesive or something right here. I'm going to go ahead and sand that down and then put a little satin black spray on the forks. So let's do that now. Shake weight. Now this paint in particular, you really want to make sure it's well mixed because of the texture that it is. It's kind of a raised textured finish, and yeah, if you don't shake it, it's just going to be a huge fucking mess, and anybody got time for that. Hopefully this dries better than it looks right now, because the way its spray pattern is, it's just super powerful and super narrow, and yeah, it doesn't really seem to be going on too good, so hopefully it dries better. Maybe as we add coats it'll look better, because right now it just looks gloppy as fuck. Alright y'all, everything is drying right now. Got the side cover drying, got the front drying, the wheels are drying, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up episode 1 here. I'm gonna go install my new Ring doorbell, yeet yeet, and yeah, but stick around because next episode I'm gonna show you guys how to reupholster your own motorcycle seat. This could apply to car seats as well, but particularly motorcycle seats, so that is going to be pretty sick. Definitely some valuable information. Eventually I might do a big bore kit on this. They have a 515 and a 600cc big bore kit, but I don't really even know if I'm going to do all that on this bike. I don't really know if this build is going to be that in-depth with performance. So alright guys.